I got this for the eyebrow. This is a tinted gel brow enhancing serum. So this is mixed with skincare on it because it's enhancing serum. That means it helps to grow your eyebrow that start losing. So this is a good one from Grande, and this color I like because it match on my skin tone. And here's the tinted one. This is the same thing, but this is a different one. This is clear setting gel. So it's like to hold it, your brow, after you line it with the eyeliner. I mean the brow line. You can use this one. It's like a clear one. But this one has a color in it. So that's all for now, guys. So this is looks like